Hey everyone, so I'm going to be dyeing my hair a dark brown. I'm really excited, but so far I have this red hair. This was for my last dye job and it's really faded already. I was debating adding more red to it and just touching it up or just going a whole different color, but as you can see it's pretty faded, so I'm going to go ahead and go with a dark brown. I'm not going to bleach it. I'm going to leave this red underneath to give me that burgundy look. So let's begin. So I'm going to be using two different types of hair dyes. I'm going to be using dark brown and light brown, not intentionally, just because I went to the store and bought the green one, which is the dark brown one, thinking it would be enough for my long ass hair. It's not going to be enough, so I rummaged through and found light brown hair left over from a previous hair dye. But here is me posing with my gloves on, looking super cute, and I'm going to be putting on the light brown hair dye first, just because I don't mind if my hair has like some light brown highlights to it after I put the dark brown. I think that will look pretty nice. And no, I'm not going to be bleaching my hair this time, just because I am pretty lazy, honestly, and I don't like to ruin my hair that much. So I'm going to go over and put the brown hair dye over my red hair, and I think it'll look pretty fine because I saw this girl on Instagram and it looked beautiful. She had like burgundy brown hair, so her hair was brown, but when it went to the sun you can see a tinge of burgundy, and that's the look I'm trying to recreate. It's perfect for the fall. I think it'll look freaking fine, but we'll see. So here I am applying my hair dye to my hair. Obviously it's a mess. Like, I'm a messy freaking dyer. I'm not a professional. I'm going to splatter this all over my hair like it ain't tomorrow. So I'm going to leave you guys watch me do that for a bit, and then I'll come back. I'm back and it's time for the dark brown hair dye. I'm not going to wash off my previous hair dye, which was the light brown one, because I don't think it's necessary. As you can see, there's still red on my head, and they're both hair dyes, so if my hair falls out then that's fine, but I'm going to be putting it on top of it. I'm going to be reading the instructions here because it has a lot more things than I'm used to a hair dye having. I think it had like a serum and 3 other things there that I need to mix together, so of course I was going to read the instructions. I'm already doing a bad job, might as well read the instructions, right? So I mixed everything together and slapped this on my head. Let me just say this, I'm not sponsored by anyone, but this hair dye felt so luxurious compared to the crappy cheap ones I used to use. The red one was like a $2 hair dye. This one's definitely like a $9 or $10 hair dye, maybe $8, I don't know, but it was a little bit up there to what I'm used to paying because I'm a broke hoe. So I really enjoyed this hair dye. It felt like putting conditioner on my head. Just letting you guys know. I will leave the hair dyes down below, the ones I used, so you guys can go check them out. I really could see the difference in qualities anyways. So yeah, I'm just going to be dyeing my hair and I'll come back. Now I'm just realizing that I put the camera kind of tilted. Whatever, I'm sure you guys haven't even realized that until I pointed it out, so my bad. But yeah, so I'm doing 2 hair colors like I said, just because she ain't got no money to go buy 2 same hair dyes. I had this from home when I had light brown hair, and I bought this one and I realized this is not going to be enough for my long locks. So I thought, hey, it doesn't matter if I have a little bit of highlights in there, I'm going to use this one. I actually was thinking of going to Target and buying another one of the other color, but why do that when you can just mix? It's brown, and if it was like blue I would get it, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta live how you gotta live, girl. Oh my god, I got paint all over my face and I did my makeup. It sucks. I did like a little spooky look, a little Halloween vibe. I was wanting to do like candy corn type of look, but this is the best I could do because I suck at makeup, okay? All right. Look, I just like dropped a whole bunch of hair dye on the ground, so I need to clean that up. Oh my God. You guys would get so much anxiety from my other video wearing my white shirts, doing my hair coloring technique. You guys were like, why ruin those shirts? Those shirts were from my rag pile, by the way. Well, most of them were. This was not from my rag pile, and I'm actually really concerned that I ruined it. But YOLO. I don't think anyone even says YOLO anymore. Hold on. I scraped this from the floor because I'm at my mom's house and I don't want her getting mad at me.
Bruh.
Oh my God, I'm horrible, guys. Anyways, yeah. This year's been crazy, guys. This year, 2020, if you're seeing me from the future and it's better, thank goodness. But it's crazy and I'm ready for the fall. I love Halloween, guys. Like, Halloween is my favorite freaking holiday. Ever since I was a kid, I've always been a Halloween girl. I've always been into spooky things. You know, I think everyone has these gothic moments. Every girl, at least, I think, where you just want to dress it up. You just want to goth it up. Put that dark lippy on and look your best, girl. It's doing that ketchup thing now, where it's like, it doesn't want to be held by me. But I think this one feels really good, by the way. Like, this quality is way better than the first quality. But anyway, like I said, yeah, the gothic look. I think every girl goes through her little gothic phase here and there. I go through it, especially when I'm close to my period. All right, my hair is coated, and I think it's gonna be darker than expected. So, I don't really care. I just needed a look from that red because it faded really badly and I needed it to change. So I'm going to brush through this. A lot of you guys hate when I brush through my hair when I'm dyeing it, but honestly, it will give me anxiety if I don't because I think I'll have clumps in that aren't painted. So, oh gosh, you guys can probably hear how tangled it is because the freaking hair dye tangled it, and I don't know why I took off my gloves. Because I'm still touching my hair. God, I am something else today. But anyways, oh, it sounds horrible. I'm gonna speed through this to save your ears and eyes. Shouldn't have worn a full face of makeup because I just ruined it with the hair dye. Okay, I got my Ross bag on my head and I'm ready to wait 30-20 minutes, however long it is, to take this color in. Shouldn't be too bad because it's a dark color.
A few minutes later.
So I gotta wash this off. It's been a good 20 minutes. And I really don't feel like washing it off, but I'm going to. And I'm really scared, honestly, because I think there's clumps that I didn't get. So there's only one way to find out, and that's washing my hair. This is the end result of the hair dyeing experience. I really like it. I was expecting a little different. So I was expecting it to be more lighter, like dark but light, I don't know, like chestnut brown, but I got dark brown. But I really like it because it does like give off a red hue since I did leave my red dye underneath. I didn't use color or bleach like to take it away or whatever. So it does have red hues when I go to the sun, and I love that about it because I really do need that burgundy brown to get me in the fall season. I love fall. Fall is my favorite season of all time, and I think this is perfect. I like to change my hair with the seasons. But yeah, like I said, I'm not a professional, so I must put that out there, but I do know some stuff about hair, and I'm just saying everything you do or see people do on the internet, if you don't know anything about it, do it at your own risk. But I really enjoy doing my own hair just because your girl doesn't have a lot of money, and I like experiences anyway. So if I mess up, it's an experience. If I don't, it's a great experience. Anyway, next video I'm going to be doing is cutting my bangs because I really need a bang glow up. Look how long they are. They are just like the grudge bangs, you know? And I need cute short bangs to frame my face because I always love that, and I like to it gives my face more dimension and it gives my hair more volume. So up next I'm going to probably do my own bangs. If I can not chicken out of that, I will definitely do it. And like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know how you think this hair turned out, if you love it, if you hate it, and if you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, subscribe, comment, and like, and I will talk to you guys later.